Hi guys, today using one of our continuous inkjet printers from BestCode, I'm going to show you how to do a back flush. First, I'm going to go ahead and press stop. I'm going to wait for the countdown so that I have no ink going into my print head. Today I'll be using MEK because MEK is the solvent that I'm using in my system. So whatever solvent you're using in your system is what you'll be using to do the back flush. So go ahead from the home screen now and hit the clean button. You'll see that it says print head clean and back flush nozzle. So go ahead and hit that, and you'll start to see that it counts down from 0 to 100. So with my MEK bottle of cleaner, hitting the back flush, I'm going to be using this to focus on cleaning through my nozzle plate and my generator, my drop generator. So taking the cleaner, I'm going to go ahead and point it right up into the nozzle plate while the timer is going, and I'm just going to be spraying it right back into that hole of the nozzle plate, and that'll clean up any debris that has dried up with inside the nozzle plate and the drop generator. So I do that between 0 and 100. I will do that a few times. In this video, I will go ahead and do it again just to show you. During commissioning, we recommend you do this between 6 and 8 times. Inevitably, what we're trying to do is get a clean stream of ink from our drop generator and our nozzle plate to go straight. Whatever isn't used is going to go back into our gutter hole. So again, this is why I'm doing the back flush for the nozzle. Now that I've done it twice for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take the swab, and I'm going to clean off all my plates, my gutter, anything that I have to ink debris, because we like to have a nice clean print head. Might as well do it now while you're doing this. So we're going to go back to the home screen. We're going to go ahead and start back up our jet by pressing start. We're going to wait the minute and 15 seconds. But the last thing I'm going to do is just show you again. Not sure how it's going to show up in a video, but how we're looking for the ink to be straight from our generator, and it will go right back into our gutter hole here. With that being said and done, we have just done a back flush. Thank you very much.